other. Which one did we start with?
Warm.
Warm for how long? Okay, 3 to 4 minutes, and then we switch to the cold for how long? And we go back and forth for how long?
25 to 30 minutes.
25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so sock off. There you go. So of course you're going to inspect his skin. We don't have to ask him to wash his feet because you're going to wash the buckets after. And I was going to say, these buckets are 5-gallon buckets we use. You can also use like that white tub up there. That works okay, that size for hands and wrists, and then you have to have it setting up higher. You don't have 2 of them, but they're typically not deep enough to get all the way up an ankle. Okay. Either probably have to be a little closer. That way his leg goes into the bucket, doesn't have to be laying on the edge of the bucket.
Do I have to like wipe it off in between?
No.
No, just
It's-
okay. Alright, you're gonna go ahead and lift up your leg and dip it into the stuff here, nice and slowly.
Not that close. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that's the one, yes. So, I'm certainly.
There's a lot of that. Alright, how
Okay.
does that feel for you? Mild?
All right, so we're gonna time it for 3 minutes. Okay, so it's 3 minutes in warm, 1 minute in cold, back and forth.
So it's your face.
You guys all sign waivers.
I was zoomed in.
Allowing your classmates to videotape you. That's the typical reaction, and it would even be bigger if this was up to appropriate temperature, okay? Because the temperature change. That's the other thing you have to take into consideration. As he's going back and forth, the warm is getting cooler because he's bringing cold body part, and the cold is getting warmer as he brings his warm body part over there. And that would be normal, and you could tell them this, especially when you go in the cold, but as you go back and forth over time, it may start to feel throbbing. That's normal. So now, if it were up to temperature, it would feel really hot, but it probably, does it feel warmer than it did the first time?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, because there's a bigger temperature difference of this tissue.
So if we're doing this for 20 to 30 minutes, obviously the temperature's going to be changing. Is that okay, or do you want to like keep adding?
No, you just leave it because you've got a big enough difference. All right, so when you're practicing this, I want you to do it for, at least 10 minutes to get the feeling of it. You don't have to do it for the full 30 minutes, but do it for at least 10 minutes. Properly, 3-1, 3-1, back and forth. Okay? So then when he is done, you do want to have a towel here, help him dry his foot, or give him a towel to dry his foot, move the buckets out of the way so that